Hello everyone, welcome to my page, welcome to my channel. So today we are gonna make a pancake. My first time of making pancake. I've not done this before, so I want to practice how to make a pancake for my breakfast. So let's go do some pancake. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment, please. Keep in touch. Let's go and make pancake. So for the pancake, I'll be using organic flour, organic coconut flour. I don't want to use flour because I'm on my weight loss routine, so I'll use this coconut flour. I'll be using coconut milk and substitute of milk. So I don't want to use evaporated milk. Instead I'm using coconut milk. So this is vanilla flavor. I'll be adding this vanilla flavor, then I'll be adding a little bit of baking powder, and this is sugar as well, with salt. So I'll just put, I want to combine sugar and salt to make it more tasteful. So this is egg. I've already washed this egg and put it in the food. So let's go by breaking this egg. One egg is enough. One egg is enough. Then, like I said, it's my first time, okay? So let's see. It's my first time of doing this. Just a bit of baking powder. I don't have, I think this one is enough. And then vanilla. I praise this comes out well. Anyway, if it does not, then I'm gonna try again. I hope it comes out well. So I'm gonna put this. Guys, don't bother about measurements. I'm a chef. Lightly, I'm gonna add one more egg. Oh my gosh! Oh, okay. Because the egg is already washed, so it's clean. I wash it thoroughly. like this one is enough. Practicing made perfect. Just a bit of salt. Practicing made perfect. And adding some milk. Keep this one aside. Oh my god. I have to transfer this in a kitchen. Okay, so this is the coconut milk. I don't know what I will use to measure it because I don't have. Okay, I think let me use this. No. Anyway, I know the quantity, but I need. Okay. I think this one is enough. Then I'm gonna pour the oh boy, let me see. Oh god, hey, seems very thick. It's like the flour is too much. Jesus. Hey, this one don't come out for donut. Are you kidding me? I think the pancake go wrong. Anyway, I think I'll be adding some milk. It seems that one is. Let's add some milk, guys. Jesus, oh my god. See, fuck up. What went wrong? Seems like the flour was too much. Oh Christ! Oh. Ayo. Anyway, we'll be adding small water because this one cannot. Okay, so I think um I think it's okay like this because I added more coconut milk. The measurement was much. The coconut flour measurement was much. I have not done this, like I said, this is my first time of doing this, and I made a mistake on the measurements. I should have put little, but I added much. So I added some water also, you understand? So I added some water, and I also added some coconut milk. Then I don't know if it's too thick. I don't know if it's too thick. However, anyhow, so I will try to see what comes out of this. I think I have to stay. I pray let it comes out well. If it doesn't, then I will have to correct it next time. So guys, let's go and fry this. I'll be using this non-sticky fry pan. Guys, at this moment I give up. This is what I get. Oh my god. See, look at what the pancake turns out to be. Oh my god. Oh god. This is so funny, oh Jesus. Oh my god, oh my god, what is this? My pancake turns out to be, this one is what should I call this? Looks like a fried gari. Fried gari. Let me taste. But it tastes nice. Honestly, it tastes very nice. So you think I will throw you away? Never, I will not. I will drop out. I will eat you. The taste is good. Flavor is nice. So I don't know if the problem comes out with if the coconut flour is the problem or the water that I added is the problem. I think it's because of the water. So I think it's because of the water. I shouldn't have added water. I added a lot of water. I added a lot of water. So I for not add water. Then I don't know if another thing, if the mistake comes from the coconut milk. Maybe next time I will use normal evaporated milk. So I have to try again and make sure that I got it well and correct the mistake also. So if you don't try, you will never learn. You have to try something. Yes. So yes. But anyhow, I will eat this because I like the taste. So guys, please be kind when you are when you are correcting me, okay? I don't want insult. Please. So for those of you that knows how to do this very well, please identify where the mistakes, where I make a mistake, where the mistake comes out from. So thank you guys.